Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Avro. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you make blend on Spotify. So to make a blend on Spotify, just go to your Spotify app. Now in your Spotify app, in the bottom second option, here you can see search icon. Click on it and just simply search for blend. And after searching for blend, here you can see the blend genre. Click on it. And here you can see there is option which is create a blend. Click on it, and after clicking it, here you can see you need to invite your friends to create a blend. So click on invite, and now you can just invite through any of these platforms. There are so many platforms here. I'm inviting through Messenger. Now after inviting from blend, your friend will accept the invite and you can just make a blend on Spotify. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Avro. Thank you so much for watching the video.